Hey you guys, today I'm doing a unboxing of the SUVA Beauty Bulging box, the mystery box that they did. It is a $50 box that supposedly has like over 100, I think they said over 190, it was either over 150 or $190 worth of product in it. And I got it. I'm like literally the biggest like #1 SUVA Beauty fan. So I'm like really freaking excited for this, okay? But for real, I have, I think most all of their hydroliners, maybe except for like one or two. I stand by their shadows. I love their palettes. Like I have every palette. They're like my favorite makeup company. I just truly love their makeup. So anyway, I literally just got the box. Very excited. So I guess let's open it. And so there was going to be 100 people who ordered the box that got the new unreleased palette, which I have already been stalking their page, so I already know that it's the Rose Period palette. But I'm like really hoping that I got it. We're about to see if I got it, if it's in this box. I really hope I got it, but if not, if it's not in this box, it's okay, because they didn't say that it was gonna be in the box. Oh bitch, I already see it. I already see it, oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, so I mean, should I save that for last? Or should I just like show you what you came here to see? I'm gonna just show you what you came here to see because girl, this is what I'm excited about. Okay, the Rose Period, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, this is an unreleased palette. This hasn't come out yet. You can't buy this if you want to right now, girl. I am special. I'm just kidding, but I'm so excited. The Rose Period, so pretty. So, and this isn't even included in the like $150 or whatever worth of product. So this is like crazy. I'm so happy I got it, you guys. I love SUVA so much. I really do. This is beautiful. And this is like very nice packaging. This is like different than their other ones. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Literally beautiful. I took off the little thing. Oh, they even have their name on there. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is so pretty. And this is their biggest palette yet, I feel like. Definitely bigger than Block Party and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I don't want to swatch it yet because I want to take like pretty pictures for Instagram. But like, oh my gosh, if anybody at SUVA sees this, I love you, SUVA, so much. Thank you for sending me the new palette. I love you. Okay, so I ordered the other palette that's in this box. I ordered the Protégé palette or the Protégé box. So you got to choose between either the Saffron palette or the Protégé palette. And I already had the Saffron palette, and the Protégé was the only SUVA palette that I didn't have. So it kind of worked out perfectly. This is the Protégé palette. Sorry, it was like outside, so it's like really cold, so like you can see my like warm hands touching it. But anyway, again, the packaging feels really nice. Like I feel like it feels nicer than Block Party and Saffron. Not that those were bad, but this just feels like even better than those. So I mean, this isn't like new or anything. There's pictures of this everywhere. That's the Protégé palette. Definitely excited to play with that, of course. Oh my gosh, I have so much new makeup. I'm so excited. This was like the best thing they could have done. Such a smart idea. Okay, I'm super excited because immediately I see 4 of their liquid lipsticks, and I've never gotten to try any of their liquid lipsticks before. So, okay, let's see which ones I got. So this one I'm like immediately drawn to because it has like different packaging. So it was a part of one of their collections. I'm not sure what the collection was called. Listen, if I had the money to buy every item that they came out with, I would, but I can't. And that's the only reason I don't already own this stuff. Okay, this is in the shade Sphinx, and I have totally seen swatches of this on their Instagram, and it's like a beautiful color, so very excited. And I've heard these are just like the best liquid lipsticks. Like, I can't wait to try. So that's Sphinx. I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, Abstract Thoughts is the next one. I'm so excited to try these because I literally haven't gotten to try one, and now I have 4 colors. So, wow. This is like a bubblegum Barbie pink kind of. I don't know how much I'll wear that, but fun to have, and it's pretty. Okay, what's this one? Imagination. It's like a lighter kind of pink. This one is Imagination. This is really pretty. This is like up my alley. And that's it compared to, what was that one? Abstract Thoughts. So it's definitely a lot less bright. And then there's Strange. Ooh, this looks like a fun like summer color. That's like really, really bright. So yeah, now I have 4 of their liquid lipsticks to try. Okay, next thing in my box is the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. And this is in the shade Trust Fund. And I'm actually wearing the drops like all over my face and my eyes and kind of like everywhere right now in Opulence. So this is Trust Fund. So I haven't gotten to try Trust Fund. Opulence is like the lightest white one. This is more of like a gold kind of. So I'm excited to try that and see like what the difference is. I love these. I mean, they're great. Like I literally love everything I've tried from their company. It's crazy. Okay, so I got 2 hydroliners. Of course, I do already have this one, Luster Lilac, because this one's been out for a little while, but Blue Steel Chrome. I don't have this. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, I ripped the box open. I do have this. I do have this. What am I talking about? Yeah, look, Blue Steel Chrome. This is mine, and this is the one I just ripped out of its pretty box. Okay, so yeah, I already have both of the hydroliners, but I kind of figured that I would. I don't really care. I have a friend who is gonna be like more than happy to get these hydroliners, and I got the new palette, and I got 4 lipsticks, and I got the, what's it called, the illuminating drops. Oh my gosh. I, for real, love SUVA. They are amazing. I was so glad to get this box. It's sold out now, so you can't get it anymore, but I asked if I should do an unboxing, and people on my story said yes. So, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go play with my Rose Period palette now. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got it. I was really telling myself, like, it's gonna be okay if you don't get it. Like, you weren't promised it. Like, you don't know it's gonna be here. Like, it's okay if you don't get it. But like, oh my gosh, it's so cool. And like, look at the eye. Like, do you see that? The eye inside the flower and like the hand. Very cool. And then the like hollow writing. I love it. I love it. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go play with my new stuff. Okay, bye.